Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with word problems on simple interest. Children, if you have any doubts or unable to solve any problem from your academic syllabus, just post your question in a comment section. I will surely make a video on it and upload it as soon as possible. Here is our 10th question. The interest on a sum of money at the end of 2.5 years. Here children, look at the question carefully. If you are unable to understand the question, read it 2 to 3 times until you understand the question clearly. The interest on the sum of money, that means the interest rate on the principal amount, that is whatever we have taken at the end of 1.5 year. This is the time, right? This one is the time. So time is 2.5 years, right? And if you look at the question carefully, the interest on the sum of money, so we have taken sum of money, some amount, right? That is the principal. So the interest for 2.5 years is this much of the sum. That means if you look here, the sum is nothing but principal, right? This one and this one is principal, sum of money. He's talking about principal. And this interest, that is the extra amount that we are paying on this principal amount. How much is this? Interest is, let me put arrow. Interest is 4 by 3 of this sum. I hope it's clear. That means 4 by 3 of the sum is the interest. That means this will be I. This will be I. And here, since we don't know what is principal, we are going to assume this principal has x. Right children? Principal has x. Because we don't know, we have to think it, because he is saying that 4 by 5 of this principal. 4 by 5 of this principal, that means 4 by 5 into x. Is it clear children? And what is the rate percentage? That is rate of interest. So we need to find out rate of interest, and our main focus should be on finding rate of interest. And in between we need to find out the values of some more numbers if needed to find this rate. First let's write the given data. Time is 2.5 years, and since they have said 1 by 4th of this sum, that means principal, so we are going to consider this sum of interest, that is principal has x, and this interest they have given indirectly, that is 4 by 5 of this sum. So that's why I'm multiplying 4 by x into x, and we need to find r value. Now just write down r formula. How to find out r? I into 100 by P into T. Now just check it out. I value. Do you have I value? Yes, we have I value. P, yes, we have P value. T, yes, we have T value. Now just substitute it over here. If you just substitute it, I have already explained how to do this when there is a fraction in a division. So when you do it, this you will get this one, because for fraction you need to reciprocal it. And here x and x gets cancelled. X and x gets cancelled, and if you cancel the remaining numbers, you will get r is equal to 32%. So he is paying 32% of interest in 2.5 years, right? And here we are not going to find any principal or yeah, we are not going to find out any principal or interest because we don't need it. They have asked us to find only rate, so you are going to find out only rate value. And here let me teach you how to solve this problem children. See here, everything for dividing it, some are in integers. See, x is an integer and 100 is an integer, and some of them are in fraction, right? How to solve it is, Just consider this x as a fraction. Even change this x into fraction. Then it will be x by 1, right? For changing an integer into fraction, you need to place in the denominator into 100 by 1. Even here, x by 1. Even this x integer I am changing into fraction because 5 by 4 and 4 by 2 are in fraction. 5 by 2. Now I have considered everything, numerator and denominator has fractions. Now just write down the numerator part as it is. This part you can write down as it is. That is 4, it's 4 children, 4 by 5 into, I am writing the numerator part as it is, 1 into 100 by 1, and this denominator part you have to make it as reciprocal. That means reciprocal means how it will be, the part in the denominator comes to numerator and denominator part comes into numerator, right children? Even this 5 by 2, this 5 by 2 should be reciprocal. That means 2 is in denominator, right? So here it should come to numerator, and this one it should come to denominator. See now, just compare this two, this one and this one, both are one and the same. I hope it's clear, right? If it is in a mixing, fraction and integers are in mixing form, just change all the of them into fractions and do the reciprocal of the division. Oh, sorry, of the denominator, not division children, reciprocal of the denominator. I hope it's clear, and thanks for watching children. Stay tuned to Max Made Easy. Here is your homework. What is the sum of money lent out at 5% for 3 years will produce the same interest as rupees 900 lent out at 4% for 5 years? Try to solve this problem and post your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for more problems on simple interest. Keep watching Max Made Easy. Thank you.